Get ready. We are about to see the church arise like never before. I hear the sound of the church standing up. I hear the sound of the church ready and poised to change the world. That church will lead the way. So therefore, I hear the sound of one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. God bless you. To see the church arise like never before. I hear the sound of the church standing. I hear the sound of the church ready and poised to change the world.